Vox Sports. Believe it.
Listen up. Each round will last for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. During the 5 minutes, you are to eat, swallow, consume as many stream wontons as you can. Okay, you are allowed, of course, to drink water and so on and so forth. Okay, for those of you that just arrived, let us mention again. Each tray, there are 24 cups. Each cup inside there are 2 wontons. So one tray represents 48 street wontons. Okay, now.
It was mostly by accident because I like to take part in all sort of challenges and sports, and one fine day I was flipping through the newspaper when I saw about this competition, so I decided why not just give it a try, and that's how it started. I'm actually a very light eater. I don't eat much, and so that's why my friends are surprised when they say that when I tell them that I'm taking part in an eating competition, and they're like, really, you don't eat much, how do you survive the competition? And I'm like, I know it's a competition, it's different. So yeah, for preparing for such a competition is that it's not like a normal competition, you know, like let's say you're taking part in a marathon, you can just run a few miles a day and, you know, train up for it. But for eating competition, when it comes to eating, it's quite difficult to train up. You can't be eating as much as you are eating in the competition every day, and then it will be difficult for you because you know, it will be difficult for you to keep fit as well. You have to have a balance there. So preparing is really up to the individual. Yeah.
Okay, the reason for me to choose this sport is actually to test myself to the limits of how much I could eat, because since young I've been quite a big eater. I'm glad to be the first winner of the MLE Asia eating competition. The feeling is very great, to be frank, and to be honest, it's an honor to be standing beside the 2 tops, eating side by side with them. But the reason is still to test the limits of our own self, be it mentality or the physical side of our bodies. I'm actually a very big eater, and I like to eat rice, and I don't like to eat other veggies or any meat. So frankly speaking, on the normal days during my younger days, I actually eat 8 bowls or 10 bowls of rice per meal. But then I don't take any veggies or any meat along. But until this Major League Eating came up, then it gave me the idea of joining it for the testing of my limits.
Basically, there are 2 types of category. One is time-based, one is volume-based. If let's say it's time-based, right? Basically, it's depend on the speed. How fast can you consume a certain item within the time? Example, with a certain company, they will give you 1 big burger. So the person that can finish the burger the person that can finish the burger the fastest wins the game. Or if let's say it's a volume base, basically they will give you like 8 minutes, 12 minutes, or maybe 15 minutes. So they will see how many can you consume. So the person that can consume the most wins the game.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Very good. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Some people, clap your hands. Come on. Hey, 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 hey.
When you move your body, you move it nice and sweet and sassy. All right? When you move, and you don't make up.
I see this sport as quite new. It's still in the infancy. So basically, a few years ago, we had only like 1 or 2 competitions per year. Now we are getting about 6, maybe 7, 8 competitions per year. We are getting more sponsors because they believe that through this sport, right, they are able to promote their product and generate market interest.
Competition that I eat that much, so I'm normally a light eater, so that counterbalances the thing. And secondly, I exercise a lot. You know, I exercise every day, and I think not just for people who take part in the competition. I think everyone who exercises, usually they are able to keep fit. The first thing is anyone who wants to join, they should take it seriously, because a lot of people think that eating competition, it's not really a competition, it's not really something that a serious person would do. But it is a competition, it's a sort of a professional thing. Professional eating is not easy. You know, there are world champions for it, so it tells you that there's a professional body governing this sport, and if you want to take part in it, you should put your mind to it and be serious about it and train for it. And if you do that, you can excel in the sport.
Overeat, and the best way is do not think that you will sure win. Just be relaxed and enjoy the competition, as you will not be every time you'll be allowed to enter this competition in Singapore. So try not to overeat and try to exercise after you really finish a competition.
Vox Sports. Believe it.